Hello viewers, today I'm going to introduce you a complete church software that can manage your church. This software is designed to manage all kind of churches. It doesn't matter the name of the church. It is universal and is the only software that can communicate with attendance machine. When it comes to church attendance, this software can communicate with time attendance machine like facial attendance machine. Example, let me show you. This is the type of the attendance machine. This is a facial attendance machine. Should in case you want to use or track your membership attendance, automatic, you don't have to use book or manual. You have to get a facial attendance machine. And that machine can communicate, this machine can communicate with this software. Okay. And this is how we fix it. We fix it in front of the church. So anytime you get near the attendance machine, automatically it recognizes your face and then it clocks you in. Okay, let me quickly take you through. All right. The software, this is the interface of the software, and this place also gives you automatic date of birth reminder. It's a reminder. So this one will get you all those people who are celebrating their birthday today. Their names will pop up, and then you can send them an SMS messages. Okay, this is tax list. So in case you set a meeting or any tax, the system will let you here. This interface is just a graph that shows you information about the membership. This one shows day bonds, the total member or the total members, their day bonds, and you can easily change it from here. Customize chart. I can easily change it to, let's say, position in church. If I want to know the number of people who are held in a position, I will just click and the system will get me positions in church. Alright, now looking at the panel here, we have membership or members, financials, accounting, schedules, service, report, and then administration. Okay, before the software will start, first of all, you have to deal with the membership first. So when I come to membership, the membership will give you families, individuals, organizations, member browser, groups and activities, class and small groups, visitations, records, and then member notes. So let's quickly take a look at the interfaces. This is the interface of the families. This is how we fill the family's interface. The family name, they are displayed, the family number, and then the other information you need. Their contacts, addresses, the date the family joined the church, and then groups they belongs to. Okay, so this is the interface of the families. And then this is the interface of the individuals. So this is how the individuals' information looks like. These are columns. All these columns also can be changed depending on how you want it to be, and then the color. So if you come to set grade here, like customer grade, here you can change your colors here, and then you can remove some of the columns also from the list and remaining what you want. So if I remove the alpha envelope number, it will move away. So this is the interface of the individuals. This is their what do you call it, the church number. This is the first name, middle name, last name, and then the church or the membership status, phone number, and all the stuffs. Alright, let's quickly take a look at the main interface. If I click on new, this is how the interface looks like. This is how you fill the information. This information gets you all that you need. Address, contacts. This contacts also gives you cell phone, email address, and all this stuff as you need. and then you come to date. The date also gives you the date of joining church, date of baptism, all these features that you are seeing here. If you don't need it, it's easy for you to remove it. This software is also customized. You can remove all these things and place your own thing there. The same thing applies to the contacts. The same thing applies to the user fields. The user fields also gives you the information about the membership, their occupation, professionals, nationality. These are information that you are asking from your membership. All this information also can be changed. And then you go to the groups, and then you select a group or the group the person or the individual belongs to. And then you come to the picture, and then you upload the picture information. Now let's quickly go back and then see how we upload the picture and see how it looks like. First of all, I'll click on this particular person and then get the information here. This is the membership information. Okay, so if I come to picture, I can upload and then go to my picture and locate where the picture is and bring it here. If I finish, I can preview and see the information about one particular person. So if I click on the summary, the software will get me the information about this particular member. So these are all the information that you are seeing about this member. Okay, now when you finish or when you are done, we move to organization. Organization also gives you the number of organization under the main church. This is the interface. This is how it also looks like. Okay, we have groups and activities. This is the groups. So here you enter all your groups in the church, so that when you fill the individual forms, it will link you to the groups the person belongs to. So if I click on church choir, I can get the list of church choir. These are the members belong to the church choir. Okay, then we come to class and small groups. Class and small groups is also a group that is under a group in the church. Let's say we have men's fellowship. The men's fellowship also have a group in the church under them. So that group can be a different name. That is what we call class and small groups. And then we have the children department. Okay, now we move to visitation records. We all do understand that if someone visits the church as first time, somebody have to record the information about that visitor. So this one will get you the visitation records. So this is the interface of the visitation records. The first name, the last name, the spouse name, displayed name. If the person attends church with his or her children, you enter the names of the children here. And then you collect the information, the contact email address about the person. And then the system will get you first time visit to the church. So the system will start tracking the person first time visit to the church, second time visit to the church, and then third time visit to the church. And when you are done, then the system also will ask you visit from the church. We have visit to the church and visit from the church. So visit from the church also, you have to set a schedule and ask someone belonging to that to the, let's say, evangelism committee to visit that person, so that at the end of the day you get a record about the person visit to the church and you visit from the church. All right, thank you. From there we move to the financials. This is where we talk about contributions. Here the system allows you to track your contributions based on each member, how much the person is contributing towards either tithe or, let's say, funeral dues or any Thanksgiving or any other dues the person is supposed to pay. So let's take a look at the what do you call the contribution interface. So here, if I click on the contributions, the system will get me the information about those who contribute every day. All right, now let me quickly go to the summary and take a look. This is a summary about one person, the amount the person pays. This interface can use a receipt printer. if you want the receipt printer to be configured on your machine, we can use this printer like we can use what do you call it, a receipt printer, which is a thermal receipt printer attached to the software, and then it will get you a receipt for the contributor. Okay, and this is the proof list. All this proof list will show you the number of people who contributed towards tithe for the day. Now let's take a look at the interface of the contributions. This is it. This is the main interface of the contributions. So here you go, it's either you search for the person code, which is the church code here. The church code gives you the name of the person here. Okay, representing that person is the person paying the money in cash. If it is cash, you pick cash. If it is check, you pick check and give the check reference number here. Now let's quickly change it to cash. We are paying by cash. So I'll go quickly enter the amount the person is paying, and then the funds the person is paying to is tithe. So when I'm done, I save and continue. Then followed by another person. So you do this according to how you want it to be. You do it according to how you want it to be. So you enter the amount and then the fund, which is tithe, and then we save. And then we save from here. Then it saves. Okay, now let's quickly also take a look at the next interface and see how best we are going to do.